Medics and Radios is a YouTube show about community resiliency and disaster response that promotes emergency management skills through scenario-based training. The goal is to help everyday people learn basic emergency management skills that they can use immediately in their community. Medics and Radios is based directly on LA CERT's Neighborhood Teams concept. Neighborhood Teams is based on the idea that during a large regional disaster, your professional responders will have to dig out of the same disaster as everyone else before they can start responding to everyone else's disaster. Medics and Radios has two components: the community responders, which are the team leaders, scribes, responders, and medics and radio operators, and staging area staff. The Neighborhood Teams program's step-by-step guide to CERT staging and initial response to a disaster is the step-by-step plan to our drills. See the links below or download it from our website. The Medics and Radios online course is for people who are working through the Medics and Radios program and attending our live drills. This course is the classroom part of our program, and the drills are where you put what you learn here into practice. The online training is free, open to the public, and no registration is needed. The Medics and Radios online course will show you how to get more training from FEMA, the National Wildfire Coordinating Group, amateur radio emergency services, community emergency response teams, and other organizations. Our goal is to help average community members train themselves to Boy Scouts merit badge standards in first aid, radio, and emergency preparedness. Medics and Radios has scenario-based training for neighborhood watch groups and other civil defense-minded organizations on a donation basis. Each drill has basic first aid and radio modules. Drills number 1 and 2, CPR and choking, are about incident management. Drills number 3 and 4 are about basic patient assessment, and drills 5 through 10 are about how to move and communicate during a disaster that requires community responders to start rescue operations when first responders can't or haven't arrived yet. The radio training is all modular and based directly on the BSA Radio Merit Badge Guidelines. When people attend all 10 scenarios, they'll be exposed to all the training from the BSA First Aid and Radio Merit Badges in a CERT setting where community members are responding to their own disaster before first responders arrive. The goal isn't to beat first responders under normal times, but to fill in the gaps in an actual disaster where first responders might not even be able to get to the station to get to a fire truck. Watch for live events in southern New Mexico in winter 2024. The Medics and Radios email newsletter is free, and it's the easiest way to stay abreast of our live training and other events, and you can join the Medics and Radios Facebook group at www.facebook.com/groups/Medics and Radios. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our latest videos. Thanks for watching.